Hi guys, so we're here at the shuttle. We're going to our Terminal A, with American Airlines. First time ko nandito kami sa pinakaligadas at pinakadulo talaga ng plane. Kasi tipid. Hi guys, so we still have 1 hour left before we arrive to our destination and I can't wait to show you guys where are we going. Saan ba ito pinupunta natin? Parang doon pa ata sa kabila eh. Ay, hindi, tama. Hi guys, so we're here at the shuttle. We're going to our Terminal A, with American Airlines. Okay, so papunta na kami ngayon sa sign gate namin. We are signed in gate 27, which is there. Opo na kami. First time ko nandito kami sa pinakaligadas at pinakadulo talaga ng plane. Kasi mo naman, tipid. Hindi na kami bumili ng seats. So, I saw it yesterday when I checked in na full flight tong flight namin today. Hopefully, wala na masyadong turbulent dito. Kasi, blue kami rin naramdam na. Yung American Airlines naman, hindi pa naman ako naka-experience sobrang na turbulence. Usually, meron lang mga mild pero tolerable. So, kita-kits. Hi guys, so we still have 1 hour left before we arrive to our destination and I can't wait to show you guys where are we going. Nakatulog ako kanina, they gave us some snacks. Ito lagi binibigay ng discount and a drink. You can choose water, soda, you choose water. I can show you the clouds sitting on aisle. So, bawi tayo next flight. Pabalik. Hopefully, nasa window seat tayo para makita ko sa inyo. Ganda. Ganda. Meron mga sea of clouds. Talaga yun, paparelax sa'yo kapag biyahe ka. Personally, gusto ko makita clouds kapag travel. Kasi parang napaka-relaxing para sa akin. Pero, ewan ko sa iba. Sa iba parang nakakatakot, diba? Pero sa akin, relaxing. Kaya ako nagka-travel. Yun, I'll see you guys. And guys, we're preparing to land. Kailangan din ako sa tayo pupunta. Nagkaroon ng turbulence. So, kanina, kaya nagising ako and then sabi yung captain na laland na nga tayo. Malapit na. So, mababa na tayo ng plane ngayon. Kami na yung pinakahuli na bababa. Tagal naman talaga. Grabe. Kaya pinakatulo kami. Don't have any choice but go. As you can see guys, dito sa States, iisa lang ang departure and arrival gate mo. So, merong mga dumarating na mga airplanes. I mean, mga tao pala, sorry. Hantayin mo, dun din sila bababa. Dun ka rin sasakay. Pinagbabaan nila. And now, we're heading to the baggage claim area dahil meron kaming check-in baggage. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. And we just arrived in our destination, and our destination is Chicago. So, welcome to my travel series, Wanderlakbay. I hope you enjoyed watching my video earlier. Sana umabot kayo hanggang dito at marami pa tayong i-explore. Let's go! Saan ba ito pinupunta natin? Parang doon pa ata sa kabila eh. Ay, hindi, tama. Yan, so we just got our luggage and now we're heading to our hotel in downtown. We're going to ride their train, their subway. Let's go. We just bought our ticket. It's called Ventra. Ito yung ticket provider nila or I don't know. Sa New York kasi pwede na kagad yung card eh. So, kailangan mo bumili ng card talaga. Ito na lang. Saan gusto mo ba? Sobrang lakas ng ingay ng train nila. Pero sobrang bilis din naman. Talagang mapapalaban ka magsalita. Hi guys, so ngayon papunta ako ng another floor to get a nice. So, dala ko ngayon yung ice bucket na meron sila. Actually, ang ganda ng hotel. I mean, ang linis, ang tahimik. Well, kasi carpeted floor. So, medyo may class. We're staying in the theater district of Chicago. Ice is secured. Ito na siya. At balik tayo sa room. Ramen for tonight. Yan. So, it's 10:34 at di-dinner pa lang kami. Kasi nga, tagal kami dun sa subway niya. Medyo tagal. Sobrang daming stops. From Chicago O'Hare, kailangan mong dumaan ng 17 stops before kaming makapunta or makarating sa pupuntahan namin, which is yung hotel nga namin. So now, we're trying the sumo ramen of Ramen-san. Bon appetit! Masang ramen? Normal. Yan, so we just finished our dinner at yun nga, medyo pagod na dahil from our house earlier going to the George Bush International Airport, 2 hours. So we drove 2 hours and then as I mentioned earlier, we received a message or a notification from our airline telling that our flight is delayed. Yun. And then the travel time was around 2 hours and when we arrived at the Chicago O'Hare International Airport, the baggage area from the other building. So, ang layo nung linakad namin. Saan ba ito pinupunta natin? Parang doon pa ata sa kabila eh. Ay, hindi, tama. After that, mabilis lang naman kasi yung paghihintay namin dun sa baggage claim or baggage area. And then, nagdadalawang isip kami kanina kung mag-Uber ba kami or mag-subway or the CTA. They call it here at CTA. So, we decided to act like a local. So, nagkaroon kami ng decision na mag-CTA kami. And then, nung nag-CTA kami, very organized, right? Their ticketing system was very easy to navigate. Nandun na lahat. I-click mo na lang kung anong gusto mo. Single trip, 1 day unlimited, or 3 day unlimited. But they also have an option of 7 days unlimited and the 30 days unlimited. But
they're not selling it there in the airport. So, ang kinuha namin is the 3 days unlimited rides to any CTA, buses and train. And then, ito yung pangyayari sa train. Nakita nyo naman kung gaano kaganda yung train nila nung pagsakay namin. Pero, on the way, syempre may mga sumasakay din na galing sa ibang station. Sabi ko nga, meron kaming 17 stops na dinaanan before talagang nag-arrive kami dito sa may kailangan naming station, which is Washington Station. And then, from Washington Station, naglakad na lang kami papunta dito sa hotel. Sobrang lapit lang. 2 minutes walk, but the travel time is 45 hours in total. 45 minutes in total. Tignan nyo, sabog na ako. Kasi nga, pagod na ako, no? During the ride, dun sa train nila eh. So, sa sobrang bilis niya, talagang sobrang alog ang bilis ng train. Sobrang alog talaga niya. Tas sobrang ingay dahil, I don't know kung bakit ganun, pero na-try namin yung subway sa New York couple months ago. And then, hindi naman ganun kaingay. Ito talagang grabe, makikipaglaban ka sa ingay. So, sobrang lakas ng ingay ng train nila. Pero sobrang bilis din. Talagang mapapalaban ka magsalita. So, hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng matagal doon sa train dahil nga ang bilis, ang ingay, at umaalog na parang roller coaster. Diba? Yung flight namin pala kanina, naalala ko dahil nga sa alog. Hindi naman masyadong maalog yung flight. Sobrang alog. nung nag-land kami, sobrang alog talaga niya. First time ko yun na naranasan sa American Airlines. So, siguro dahil dulo. Talagang dulong-dulo kami. Likod namin yung toilet, lavatory. This is only our first day here in Chicago. Marami pa kayong makikita dahil isasama ko kayo sa lahat ng pupuntahan namin. So, please, don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Of course, subscribe to my channel, please, and keep sharing it to everyone. Thank you so much.